How to change birthday on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your birthday on Pinterest. So to do that, first of all, open up the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now remember, you can do this process from your browser as well. The process is basically the same. Now what you'll have to do is simply go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. And if you are on a desktop version, you'll have to tap on your profile, which will be on the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. Now once you've done that, tap on the option personal information. Now in this page, you will be able to see personal information such as your age, gender, country/region and your language. So tap on the option age. So mine is currently set to 19. So if you want to change your birthday, you will only be able to change your age and not your exact birthday. So for now, let me simply switch it to 25, and then once you tap on the option done, your birth date or your age will be changed on Pinterest. And if you want to change it back, tap on the age option and then make changes to this age and then tap on the option done. So it was as easy as that, and that is basically how you change your birthday on Pinterest. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.